Hello, this is Jason, and I am at the Chatuchak Weekend Market, and I'm gonna make a 360-degree video. So I haven't done that yet. So face this way, and I'm just gonna wander through the market. One of the biggest markets in Asia. I have nothing I really need except to kill time. This is a good way to do it. So with the 360 video, if you have a virtual reality headset, you can put that on and like look left and right, and you'll be able to, be like you are here looking around. And if you have a phone, I think you could move the phone around and you use it like a looking glass and move it around in 3D space, and then you should be able to change the view. Or you could just touch the screen and move it with your finger and move the view around that way. And with the mouse, you just click the screen. So that's how the 360 video works on YouTube. And I'm using the DJI Osmo 360 camera with a DJI mini microphone wirelessly attached to it. And just holding it slightly above my head. It's about 6 inches higher than my eye level. So about a 6'9" person's view. Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan's view of Chatuchak Market. I could use like a handkerchief or some kind of sweat rag. This is like silky. It's a little too fancy for like a scarf. Hard to find handkerchiefs. I guess I need to go to like a tailor. Someone who makes suits will probably have them. Or I could, a bandana. It's another. Find a bandana. I lost my handkerchief. I think I might have some spare ones in my suitcase back in the hemisphere. Just look at this, man. It's crazy. As far as the eye can see. I'll go around the perimeter and then I might cut on the inside. These bags, $3. Nice fanny pack, $3. Very nice. I'm a sucker for bags, but I don't need one. I got bags in storage. These light shirts are nice. They're lights. Cheap prices, like $3. These pants over here, $3. 5 free 1. What does that mean? 5 free 1. I guess if you buy 5, you get 1 free. This market is every weekend. Over, I think, 15,000 stalls, different vendors. Let's duck in. Thais love these little puffing inhaler things. Got a big old bottle of Thai tea.
Raus auf der Straße.
Karen Silver. I bet that store's doing well. Silver store. There's a massage. Packed. Massages are popping. 250 baht, $7 for an hour foot massage. I'm just checking prices. Thank you. Just wander aimlessly. Some stores are closed. T-shirts. Nice looking silverware.
Only big size and have one
I wonder what that is. Bangsu Junction. The Bangsu Junction. We got mango sticky rice. I'm running low on cash too, so it's unfortunate. I think I got a couple $100 baht. But I should hold on to it just for, because I really need it. Lots of food. Little chicken kebabs for like less than 50 cents. $2 for mango sticky rice. Pretty good price. Seen like 3 times as much back in Sukhumvit. Duck in again. Let's pop in and out of the inside labyrinth. These are all a bunch of different inhalers. Opens up the sinuses, just like menthol. Spices. Little plastic lotus flowers. Table mats, Thai silk. tablecloth, the scarves. Get me one of them all white linen outfits. Look like a cult leader. But they look very comfortable and light and airy. You see right through them though. A lot of shops closed. It's 6:30. I guess some places closed a little earlier. Bags. And these are cheap, like 50 cents. These little purse bags. You can keep money in there. I like knocking at the door. I need to find a bathroom sooner rather than later. Muay Thai, boxing, kickboxing stuff. Total labyrinth. You can get lost in here real easy. Like if you come in as a family and get split up, good luck. Good luck. Bandanas. These are like scarves. See if there's a pattern I like. $1. Little elephant one. This one, a little elephant. Yeah, that's really good. Who's the store owner? Who runs the store, do you know?
The owner. Where?
Who I pay? Is this your store? Got business.
เขาจะเพย์แล้วเนี่ย
Yeah, one.
At least today is better because we ended up buying stuff.
Today we actually did some stuff.
Thank you very much.
Cotton cut.
Same good shop. You can change.
I thought it was 30.
This bub.
Are these a 30?
30 this small size.
Yeah, these,
small or big?
yeah, this is small.
Oh, small. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I knew big.
No.
30. เดี๋ยวก่อนนี่เดี๋ยวโอเค30ให้เรียบร้อยใช่ไหม
เหรอแล้วเป็นผ้ายืดเหรอ
มันเป็นผ้าบัฟครับ
Cotton
I'm
cut.
sorry นะ I'm
It's
sorry
okay.
I think big size
That's okay. Gotta watch, gotta watch. Alright, well, that was one item I was looking for. So you can find just about anything here. Sushi. Wow. $3. Okay, the camera shut off on me. Overheated. So I'm recording in like 8K, 30 frames a second, so it gets hot in about 20 minutes. Let me get away from some of this copyright music so I don't have to cut that part out. Some toast on a steak. Toast on a steak. I think this gives you a good idea of what the market is like.
Tu dis ce que tu es.
Ah bon? And it's hot.
เดี๋ยวกลับไป
85 degrees. Alright, in Bangkok, that's going to wrap it up for this 360 degree Chatuchak Market tour. So I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know if you want to see more 360 videos in the future. I can make that happen. Alright, well, that's all I got for now. I will talk to you later. Take it easy.